Question 42. You are using Cloud Shell and need to install a custom utility for use in a few weeks. Where can you store the file so it is in the default execution path and persists across sessions? A. Bin. B. Cloud storage. C. Google Scripts. D. User local bin. Key considerations. 1. Persistence across sessions. Cloud Shell provides a persistent home directory, that retains files and configurations across sessions. Storing files outside this directory will not persist. 2. Default execution path. The utility must be placed in a directory included in the default path environment variable for easy execution without specifying the full path. 3. User permissions. Cloud Shell does not grant root access, so directories requiring elevated permissions, such as user local bin, are not modifiable. Analysis of options. 1. Bin. Correct solution. The bin directory resides in the persistent home directory and is included in the default path. Files stored here are accessible across Cloud Shell sessions without additional configuration. 2. Cloud storage. Incorrect. Cloud storage is designed for object storage and is not part of the execution path. Files stored here would need to be downloaded and executed manually in each session. 3. Google Scripts. Incorrect. This directory is part of the Cloud Shell environment but is not persistent across sessions or part of the default execution path. 4. User local bin. Incorrect. Modifying user local bin requires root access, which is not available in Cloud Shell. Correct answer, A. Bin. Storing the custom utility in bin ensures it persists across sessions and is available in the default execution path for convenient usage.